In this video, you will learn how to use Mileage2Go. What is Mileage2Go? Mileage2Go is a software which uses your Google Calendar entries and calculates the mileage to and from a starting point. Let us walk you through the software. First-time users will need to click on the Sign Up and enter your Google email so that Mileage2Go can access your calendar. Since I've already created an account, I'll select the Login button, and it opens the main page with the options available to use like Import, My Events, Export, Export History, Subscriptions, and My Invoices. Let's go through these one by one. First step is to import your Google Calendar into Mileage2Go. Click Import will bring up this screen. There are two options available on this screen: Import from Google Calendar or Import from Excel. Let's proceed with using the Import from Google Calendar. First, you will have to enter a starting point. This can be an actual address or simply a city. I will enter the city of Las Vegas. Next, you will select the time period you want to import. I will select the month of January 2019. Then click on Import from Google. Because I have already imported once, here is a pop-up to warn me I have already imported and whether I want to proceed. What Mileage2Go now brings up is an import preview of all the events in my calendar. Here, there are 3 address entries that are marked Enabled and will be used to calculate mileage. Here, Location 1 and Location 3 are my starting point address. This is so Mileage2Go will calculate a round trip from Location 1 to Location 2 and then back to Location 1. The address is marked approximate because a pinpointed address was not entered. Click on Update to accept the entries. When you click on My Events, you will see your Google Calendar that has been imported to Mileage2Go. You can click on any event to see the calendar data that was imported. This entry shows trip from Las Vegas to Los Angeles and back to Las Vegas. It is marked that it can be exported. Click on Subscription, where you can purchase time periods by calendar year. Mileage2Go allows you to export 30 days free. Since I've already subscribed to 2019 calendar data, we can proceed to export. We do this by clicking on the Mileage sublink and select the particular calendar you want to use. Next, enter the date range to export. Then select the unit measure of kilometers or miles. I will choose miles and select a PDF report. The report will show the total miles at the end. Here is the report generated for the 3 entries in my calendar. It shows the Las Vegas to Los Angeles and back to Las Vegas and how many miles make up this round trip. And this is a brief introduction on how Mileage2Go works.